how to use Klarna to pay bills. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Klarna app. So make sure you are logged into your account to Klarna account on your Klarna app. If you don't have it yet, download the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play. Now go to the Pay Bills section. So in the Klarna app, tap on Pay Bills section. This is where you can add your bills to the paid through Klarna. And after that, enter your bill details. So choose the type of bill you want to pay, example, utilities, subscriptions. And after that, enter the biller's details such as the account number and the amount due. After that, select your payment options. So Klarna will show available payments options such as pay later up to 30 days. Now pay in 3 or 4 installments spread over time. Now confirm your payment. So double check your bill details and payment plan, confirm the payments, and Klarna will process the transaction. After that, track your payment. So you can track your bill payments in the My Klarna section. Klarna will send a reminder for upcoming payments if you have chosen to pay in installments. So this is how to use Klarna to pay bills. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.